Though he was God, he did not think of equality with God as something to cling to.
Whoa, man, that was whack, man. Let's crank it up a little bit.
I'm down with that.
I just lost my page. Though he was God, he did not think of equality with God, something to cling to. Instead, he gave up his divine privileges. He took the humble position of a slave and was born as a human being. When he appeared in human form, he humbled himself in obedience to God and died a criminal's death on the cross. Therefore, God elevated him to the place of the highest honor and gave him the name above all the other names, that at the name of the Jesus every knee should bow, in heaven, on the earth, and under the earth, and every tongue confess that Jesus Christ is the Lord, to the glory of the God the Father. Wiki, wiki, word.